Hopefully my mic is good. Let's get this started. So today we are doing a live market recap with B. Good morning.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
How you been since the last time?
Good. How you doing?
I've been doing all right. Not too
That's
bad. I'm probably just gonna turn this call, into just like a live market recap because the market's live right now,
yeah.
open bell or whatnot. So I'm about to share my screen, and we're just gonna
Okay.
keep pushing from there.
And you recording it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just mute myself on like if you ask me any questions if you
All
want,
right.
because that way it won't interrupt. Yeah.
All right. I got you.
Okay.
All right. So I'm only currently honestly really just looking at three pairs, which are 1, 2, and 3. NAS, US 30, and S&P. Um, we took some trades. Excuse me, my bad. Excuse me. It's 6:30. I've been up since like 5.
It's
No,
okay.
um, we had took some trades actually on the account already. And let's see if I can. I'm not even logged into my account on here. Wait, I might be. I might be logged into the account. I took two trades today at like 3 a.m. and I posted them on the page.
Oh,
Um,
dang, I must have missed it.
I'm see if I can. Yeah, I'm not logged in on here. I gotta log in on my phone, but whatever. Anyway, we had took two trades on a 5 second chart.
Mm.
Yeah, I was doing stuff off the fib and I took a trade off the 5 second chart and
Mm.
it hit and it was smooth. But outside of that, um, we're looking for we're not really looking for anything, but this was the level that I was trying to take buys from. I was trying to take buys from here.
Hmm.
Yeah, my key. Jeez. I'm trying to take buys from here, but price clearly isn't respecting it. But here's the thing: we got a beautiful tap off the 786 on Monday, which
Mm.
was great. Everybody was saying don't trade that day, don't trade that day because it's a bank holiday. I most certainly traded.
Hmm.
Um, sell right from here up to 786, going straight 786 going straight down to the 618, 1 to 3 TP, and then last night I tried to take um buys right here. We won them because I was on the smaller chart, but overall I would have lost. If I
Mm.
took it on the 15 minute or the hour, I would have lost. So that's for that. I still do want to see bullish price. Like I want to. I don't know. We might. I don't. I'm kind of. I don't really know what we're gonna get today. Um, what type of price action we're gonna have. All I know is, jeez. All I know is that I'm looking for sales on my 786, buys off my 618, and buys off my 382. I do want to see price come down to here. I do want to see this, like, boom,
Mm.
and then bow,
Hmm.
like something crazy. Then a crazy push to the upside, and then this is when price action get real clean, and then we gonna really start to see bounces for real.
Yeah.
Then price action starts, looking real nice. It finally got itself together. So forth and so on. So yeah, I do want to see buys off the zone. If we don't get buys there, then we don't get buys. Um, I'm not. If price comes to the 786 again, like so, like for example, right now, if price comes to the 786, I don't know if I would want. I don't know if I can confidently sell that. Um, I don't know if I can confidently sell that. I think this sell should be the only sell we catch off the 786 today at least. Um, unless we get like a reaction off of our third field. Let me see. Yeah, unless price does something like this. But even still, I wouldn't take this. If price came here, reacted off of our 786, and then bounced up, and eventually, came down and hit TP. I would, but I wouldn't. It's weird. I don't really know. So that's for S&P. So we're not really we waiting for anything down here. The area we trying to buy is here, and I think this is a real good area to try to buy from.
Okay.
So yeah, that's
You
about it.
you drew that box on what time frame? That
This
on your 1 hour.
I drew this based on wait, this box or this box?
The bottom box. Wait, let me see. Let me go to my.
I don't even know what time frame. I just drew it out.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
I'll look.
I don't even know. Like, see, there's no wick up here for me to draw this, but I pretty much just based it off of this guy.
Okay,
I
okay,
was just like, forget it. I'm gonna just draw it off of him. So that's my range. So yeah,
okay.
that's S&P. Um, boom. Now let's go to US 30. Now US 30 is a little different. US 30 came to this zone that I wanted. The market closed there, and then it bought. We had a gap, and it
Mhm.
gapped up. So after it gapped up, it damn near stopped at our 618 and then started to push down. Um, and the reason I say it damn near stopped at our 618 is because of this. This is the true level for that region. Let me, boom, there you go. But that's the true level for that region. So I was just like, all right, bet, yeah. If we're filled in that 618 and the region, then it sold from there, which is a realistic sell. So I'm like, okay, bet, cool. I was a
Mhm.
little upset when I didn't catch this, but I was like, all right, that's fine. So
Yeah.
boom. I would honestly have a limit at my 236 most likely. Um, but I don't know because I don't know how strong the selling volume is. I really don't know because that news did a lot. So I don't
Mhm.
know. So that's that. But I would be trying to buy it in this region. Same thing for this one. I'll be trying to buy it in this region.
Yeah.
Um, and then now
Okay.
In Q, if I were to do anything with NQ, I would be trying to buy it from this region. Um, I wouldn't be too prone to take buys off the 382. I would take sales off my 618. I can confidently do that. So like something like this, retest or a price push down, a retest to our 618. Yeah, I'll
Mhm.
take that. I'll take that for sure. So I'll be looking for sales here, retest off the 618, sales here, but buys at my 236. I wouldn't take anything off the 382. There's no we had two reactions there. At the 382, we had two solid reactions. Um,
Okay.
hold on, give me one sec.
Okay.
My bad. Hold on.
All right.
Nuances aren't always. I'm just texting somebody right now. They need help with their fibs.
Okay.
All right. So anyway, we had a bearish reaction at our 382 here and another bearish reaction at our 382 here. But I don't think that's where most of the buyers are. If anything, I think there's buyers here because we had a rejection here. 1, 2, bullish, 3, bearish, 4, bullish, 5, bullish, 6. And then I think we need to come here to buy off that. So overall scale, when it comes to Nas, I'm looking for sales at my 618 and buys at my 236. For US 30, I'm looking for buys at my 382. Yeah, I'm looking for damn. Yeah. I will be, yeah. This will probably be, yeah. This trade right here is the one I'm looking for right now. US 30 buys at the 382. And you see why, right?
Let me see. Yeah, because it had all of that previous resistance there.
Exactly. So I'm looking for buys here. I am. I genuinely am looking for buys right here. But that's the thing though. We had a lot of support here. Price didn't give a damn, it broke through. But that was because of news. But Price made sure to come back up and retest it perfectly before selling. And I know that Price swept all of this. But since it was news, I think Price is trying to rebalance itself out and we're going to get a bullish reaction off of this zone. So actually, as we speak, I'm looking for buys here in this zone.
Okay.
I want to see how that plays out.
Because hold on, I'm just trying to, because mine is marked up, but I'm marked up on MYM, which is US 30, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but it does look different. Does it? Let me just go to it.
It's gonna look slightly different, but
Okay, okay.
it should mostly look the same. But yeah, it's gonna look slightly different.
All right. Okay.
Um, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, let me take out the phone so I can get ready for this trade. I think I want to buy it here. I don't think I just want to. Let's see. I'm not gonna buy it on the tap. I'm gonna buy it once we get a. Okay, so now here's the thing. The reason I'm gonna wait to buy it and not
Mhm.
just buy it off the rip like I usually do is because I want to see a bullish reaction. Market just opened at 7:30. Well, 6:30 my time. Market just opened at 6:30.
Yeah.
Um, so I don't want to see. And it's not even that much volume kicking in, so it's not even that serious. I have time, but I don't want to see sellers kick in and I get inside my trade. With my stop loss here, and then the market continues to fall, and then a wick comes all the way down here, and then it comes all the way back up, and then
Right.
it does the thing. So I'm gonna just wait to see if we get a bullish reaction at this region, or if we get some type of wick at this region, and then I'm gonna take a trade off this 382. Because price also can use it as resistance. Price can honestly just break through and then use it as resistance. So what I mean by that is price can just break through, retest it, and then fall even more. So we're just gonna
Okay.
see how it play out. But that's the buy I'm actually looking for right now.
Okay.
Buys off this 382. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for now on S&P. We got a long ways to go. Reaction off the 618, pushing straight down. It's a nice push down. And then Nas, we gotta ain't nothing to really catch on Nas right now. But our closest trades would be this US 30 trade or this or something over here for sale for buys right here. but mainly US 30 because we could take buys here at the level it's pretty much at, but then we can also uh, let's see. So have you taken any playback trades?
Um, playback ones, not since we last talked, but I was doing them before. But not since when was that? I think last night. Was that last night?
One
When did we last talk? Not since not
Sunday.
since Sunday. Um, no playback trades since then, but I was doing it before and I was doing good except for on that one chart that I had completely flipped upside down. But I was getting the gist of it as far as like, oh, okay, this area looking to the left, seeing where resistance and when resistance became support, stuff like that. But it was completely flipped upside down.
Mhm.
But um, it's been so good. I feel like I'm actually understanding or really getting it.
Okay, so we're getting a bullish reaction at this 382, but I still don't know if I'm gonna buy it yet because price can easily come down here
Hmm.
and buy off this because we know that this is a prominent level also for price to react off of.
Hmm.
Hmm. Something a little more accurate. I might do this. This looks a little more accurate. Yep. Interesting. Okay. That's what I'm gonna do. That's the reaction that I'm looking for. So this is exactly how I trade right now. So I'm about to I think I'm considering taking this trade here.
Hmm.
Because we might get a 4 hour wick. This might wick out and buy to the 50%. Because I can see that happening. Wicking out and buying to the 50%. But we're gonna see. So let's go to the account and take a trade.
Okay.
We're on MYM.
Hmm.
I need to hurry up. I'm taking my sweet time.
It's okay. I'm trying to follow as you say it so I can keep up. But yeah, I'm on MYM right now.
All right. All right. So I all right. So we're gonna see.
Okay. 15 minute. Okay.
And that's it right there. So I made a decision. So here's the thing.
Hmm.
We have a lot of volume, right? We don't have volatile volume. We just have a lot of volume because it's Tuesday and it was
Hmm.
a bank holiday yesterday, and Friday was a lot of news and
Yeah.
nobody trading on the weekend. So price can easily come to here
Hmm.
and buy because this is a very, very strong level also,
It
as you see,
is. Hmm.
very strong. But this is also strong too.
Yeah.
And I'm mechanical and I don't care about when it closes. So I'm gonna take both.
Right.
I'm in a buy right here now. If
Okay.
this one loses, I'm gonna buy here. Hit this one. If this one wins, then hey, good job.
Should I go ahead and get in now or wait?
No. Don't take this trade because I'm taking it. I want you to. You're gonna take your trades because you taking it.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I'm doing now. This is just our one on one, but
Mhm.
I'm just trading because this is the time that I trade.
Okay, okay. Gotcha, gotcha.
This is the time that I trade. So you don't want to take this trade because of me right now. You want to take trades because you have conviction in yourself that it's gonna go that direction.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. All right. Let me see. Down three on there. Trading. Risk settings. Chart. All right. Anyway, so you say you haven't done any playback on your stuff yet?
Not since what was that? Sunday night. Or
Okay.
not since yeah.
Okay. And were you on the charts yesterday or no?
No. The past day or so or two-ish days have been interesting. I've been helping out with a lot of stuff with my mom. But no, typically I do. Like typically I just sit and do replay mode, replay mode, replay mode, but I haven't been on really since the past 2 days.
Okay, understood. I got you. Let me just look at this trade real quick. Let me look at the
Mhm.
nature of the market. Okay. No, okay, let me get out. Here's the thing about this trade though. So I got out of it. I'm not in it.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
here's the thing about this. Here's why I did. Here's why. Well, you already know why I'm taking it. Well, why I took it, but I'm closing it now. The nature of the market is very strong for sales right now.
Mhm.
And before we had this news, it would have been okay to buy from this region. But until then, I need to wait and see what price wants to do because, like I said, price can come here, and because this is they're both really like honestly strong ass regions. This is a very strong region for price to buy, and this is a very strong region for price to buy. If I take a buy here and price comes here, then buys, then I'm gonna be mad. But
Yeah.
if price buys here, but I waited for this, then I'm gonna be mad. So pretty much to prevent that from happening, I'm gonna just wait to see how price is gonna fully react, considering we had all that news. So there's nothing really for me to do right now but sit on my hands.
Yeah.
Even though that trade might possibly hit TP, because this is where I would have taken it with the
Right.
stop loss right here. Not tight of stop loss. This one was gonna be tight. Target
Mhm.
loss.
Good
I
area.
want my 1 to 3. I want my 1 to 3 to damn near beat a 50%. But this would have been the trade like this, actually. Yeah. I want to see how you do for this week on your
Okay.
account. Um, I'd say try. Well, not really. Not. I don't want to say. I don't want to put it like that. Like try, but if there's an entry that you need to take, just take it. Because remember, the accounts aren't that expensive, so you're able
Yeah.
to leverage on your account, so you don't have to be as scarce um as people normally would be
Right.
on your account. So just to clarify, you understand like so you know how to draw out your fib.
Mhm.
Okay. You know how to draw out your regions and you know what your regions mean, right?
Yeah.
You know how to draw out your price action effectively?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, the purple boxes, like finding who's responsible. I've been doing
Okay.
that, practicing on that, yeah.
Share your screen and show me.
Okay, let me bring you over on this screen. How do I? Okay. Oh boy. I'm trying to see how to do it on WAP. Hold on.
You're good. You should look for like a square box that shows a arrow pointing to the upside.
Yeah, it's showing me all of my screens except TradingView, which is what is interesting. But let's see. Hold on. Try this. Here, let me do this. Bring TradingView over here. Maybe it'll let me. Nope. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's not pulling up my TradingView.
Okay, are you able to share just the whole screen?
Mm. Here, let me try. Let me try because it's pulling up my Chrome. So let me just try to go to TradingView
Okay.
online. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it wasn't pulling up the app. Okay. Here we go. That'll work. Trading view. Can you see that?
Yeah.
All right. So, yeah, it wasn't pulling up the app, but I can do this. No, never use this app.
Yep.
Ew, this looks weird. Okay.
Yeah, it's that damn 1 minute.
Why is it on here?
Hmm. You must have been on that 1 minute.
No. No, see, I don't have it saved.
So
Okay.
it's all good.
How do I get out? Okay, let me just. It's still up there. That's weird. Anyway.
It's fine.
Okay. Okay. Oop. All right. So MYM. Something like that may be a good one. This one here.
Yep.
And let's see. Maybe going above. Somewhere. Somewhere maybe like so. But hold on. Let me just double check that one. one's not as cute.
Nah, I feel you though.
Hold on. That one's
So,
cute.
so for that one to look, so that one right there, get that, get another box, a new one.
Okay.
So you did it right, but you were doing the top side, do the bottom side. So from 786, and then do that wick that tap the seven to the right. That one going down. That guy's the one that's responsible.
Okay.
Boom.
Shoot. Oh, I see. Okay, okay, okay.
Yep.
Dang.
And you see how it always look at that. It's so perfect. Like, and you see how like price action always goes together with the fibs, and the fib is
Yeah.
right there for the entry, right there.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Hmm.
Dang, what was that? What did I just mark? I marked above here. Oh, okay. I did here instead of down here. Okay. Close, close, close. All right. So that's on this chart. Hold on. Let me see if it's. Do you usually keep going down or just in the area of where we are?
What you mean?
Like, do I keep going down here and making more purple boxes? Like, I
I
guess I
mean,
could.
price is going down, so yeah, it'll
That's
be
true.
mandatory. Yeah.
Yeah. Um, let's see. Let me see something. Hold on.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, look at the trade I would have took. Look, go down to like the 5 minute, the one that because I closed it. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna take it, but
Okay, hold on. Let me. Oh, wow. I just marked it when you marked it.
yeah,
Okay.
that would have been the entry off the 382. So I was like
Yeah.
smooth. But the thing is, now look at it. The reason I closed it is because you see the direction that we're going in though.
Like downward.
Yeah. So it's
Mm-hmm.
like, and you see how strong it is, but then
Mm-hmm.
you see how price went ahead and the volume of the market got more volatile.
Mm-hmm.
The levels got bigger, and when they got bigger, it finally came to my entry. That told me, nigga, don't get liquidated, because it just showed me that the candlesticks were getting bigger, meaning more volume was coming into the market. So
Yeah.
I didn't want to become liquidity.
Right.
Yeah. So that's why I didn't take that. But yeah, go. You can go ahead and go to your next chart. Though I just wanted to kind of
Okay. All
what
right,
you're watching.
cool. So then this one I marked up also. Hmm. 4 hour. Hmm. Am I marking on the 4 or the 1? Okay, that's okay. Okay. I mean, I guess. Let me see. Oh. Mm, mm. Um. Hold on.
Okay. Mm. Okay, you good at this. So you got it. You understand how to
You
mark out.
think so?
No, actually, yeah. You know how to find who's responsible. But actually, no. I'm sorry. Actually, you're wrong.
Dang.
No, you're wrong. It's to the left. It's to the left.
This one.
That one, yeah. But yeah, but nah, still, you got it though. You know how to mark out your levels. I'm actually watching you, and I'm like, okay,
That's
like
what I'm saying. I have really been practicing for real. It's just that when I'm by myself, I'm like, dang, am I doing this? I be second guessing so
yeah, you gotta
bad. I'm
stop
like,
doing that.
I know. I
Yeah,
know.
nah. Gotta stop second
Um,
guessing. You gotta just act on it, perform.
hold on, let me see something.
The
Um,
thing is that like the funny thing is that that whole entire consolidation region, right, like
this.
right above, nah, right above you, more the little small, yeah, those, that right there, and you see how it didn't come to the 50%, but the 50% was like the last line of defense to keep
Uh-huh.
price up, and then price kept tapping. If you put a little box on the range of that consolidation, price tapped into it every time. Just the consolidation. So drag it down. Yeah, right there.
Oh, I see. Okay, just this.
Yeah, so if you marked it out like that, even if you marked it out like that, you would have got trades. You would have got taps, taps, taps,
Dang.
taps, taps. But now you see why like the market it tells you and shows you what it wants to do. It's just your
Yeah.
job to see who's responsible and how can I act. You want to just blend in with the market. You want to react when the market reacts.
Okay.
That's it. But yeah, keep going. I'm watching though. I'm just analyzing. I'm like, okay, so she got it, but I want to see you mark out. So outside of that, so now I want to see you mark out like your highs and your lows to specify where are the major buyers and sellers. So outside of ranges, mark out your prime. If you need to go to like a separate chart or something like that.
Oh Lord. Every time I do that, it mess up. Okay.
Okay,
Because
hold on.
remember,
I
I
got
was
you. Let's do it
okay.
slow. I got you.
All
I,
right.
I, I know exactly how to do it. So
Okay.
that's all you need. So just type in US 30. I mean, no, not US 30. US 500. My bad. Okay, and then do the first one. Boom, mark up on there.
All right.
There you go.
Mm, ew. Mm, hold on.
Hmm. Hmm.
Um. Okay.
Okay, yeah. So it's ugly, but yeah, that's it. Go to a go to start using capital. I mean, use a playback. Go to some random areas in price, and so zoom all the way out first. Go to like the daily real quick,
Okay.
and then just put your stuff at a random price area. Put it at the peak of the previous high. Like yeah, but like to the left a little bit, right before it dropped.
Gotcha.
Yeah, like there.
Okay.
And drag it over just a little bit more, actually.
Here.
Nah, too far. Like right there. Like yeah. Perfect.
Okay. And you just want me to press play, or you want me to try to mark it?
I want you to go to the 4 hour and start marking up.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Just the range.
So zoom in some more. Hold on. Before you mark that out, zoom in. I mean, zoom out some.
Zoom out.
Mark
Okay.
that out. Yep. So look, this is what you do. You do the same thing you always do. So you see how price is buying, but it's still inside of a range because it's consolidating, kind of. So you see that you're at a resistance level. You need to look to the left and see who's responsible for price continuing to reject right there. Mark that out. There you go. Boom.
Wait, you mean okay? So like that.
Yeah, mark that out. Yeah.
Okay.
But wait, no, mark it all the way down to the wick. All the way down to the wick. From top to the bottom.
Hold on.
Yeah. Cool.
So it's the same. What am I trying to ask?
Because I'm just saying, you want to mark out the range just for this level. Everything else you're just gonna mark out the highs and lows, but just for this level.
Okay. Okay.
And the reason I say that is because we're at a resistance. If we weren't at a resistance, then it would be you just need to mark up the high. But since we're at a resistance, we got to see, okay, but price just reacted off of resistance. So I want to know what's causing that instead of just marking out my high. Because
Oh, okay.
if
I
price
got
breaks
you.
if price breaks that high on the 15-minute, I'm gonna think price is gonna still buy. But if I look to the left, I'm like, but if I mark out the range, I'm gonna be like, wait a minute, price can still sell even if it breaks this high as long as it's inside this range. Until it breaks this range, then we can go ahead and look for buys.
Okay. See, I wasn't even thinking about that. Okay, cool. All right. Dang. All right, cool. Um Same here then, right? Like hold on. Kind of like the same here if you
Yeah,
kind of
yep, right there. Yep. Boom.
okay. All right. So now I'm going to just play it to see if it breaks it.
No, do your whole top down analysis. You got more to mark up. You got to go to the 1 hour.
Okay, okay. Gotcha.
Yeah, the whole ship. I'll go back to the 4 hour though.
Okay.
Zoom out some. You still mark out some stuff. There's still
Okay.
a few more things to mark out.
All right. Hold on. Let me see some.
Mm,
Okay.
to the left some more. The one all the way to the left.
Dang it.
Close.
Got the wrong guy.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
But and I would after marking that out, honestly, delete. Mm, Okay, this is what I would do, honestly. Actually,
Mhm.
damn. Oh, I hate being a trader. This shit is hard. Let me think. Man, I'm trying to think. Cause my mind was okay. Now that's fine. All right, but yeah, then you go ahead and drop down to your hour and do what you need to do.
I mean, it looks good.
Everything makes sense.
Yeah, looks like it to me. Cause
All right, cool.
hold on, wait, who's this right here? Hold on. What's happening? No.
Nah, nah,
Nah.
no. Yeah, you did good. All right, but cool. Now go ahead and just allow price to play through. Even though you low key marked out all of that, price is probably gonna break out of all of that right now. It was probably low key pointless, but you just see how price react off of it. So yeah, now you can just let it play.
All right. You want me to keep it at 10 or put to 5?
Like 5, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we got a bearish reaction off the resistance. Price broke out of the resistance. Go do this on like the 4 hour.
Okay.
Price broke out of all the resistance. Okay, cool. Pause. So boom. So that's one example. See how price came right to that zone? Boom. Went up. All right. Keep it playing.
Okay.
Came to that zone again. Boom. Ball.
That's crazy.
And we're continuing to get rejections inside of that region that you already marked out right there also. Boom. Rejection. Look at that. Come on. That is price action for you.
Yeah.
Now it's going to use it as resistance to push lower. Exactly. Same damn thing every time. So imagine you marked that out by yourself and you actually took trades for that week by yourself and you knew where to take your trades. You still would have now drop down to the 1 hour real quick
Okay.
and look at the entry that you would have got off the levels that were obvious that tapped. Both of those sales would have been clean.
It's a 50% mark.
Mm-hmm. And then those buys, I don't know if you pointed at those buys, but those buys at the bottom.
Here.
Blows. Yeah, right there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
So we just
Wait.
gonna let it price completely dumps or whatnot.
Let me see something.
It's gonna dump for a minute.
Mm.
So yeah,
Okay.
now watch it. Yeah, now watch it like this exactly because it's dumping.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
let's just see how it wait. But before you do it,
Oh.
draw out, get a box and draw out. Yep, just draw your shit out.
All right. Hold on. I can't see. Hold on. Okay.
That's you don't need that. You don't need nothing there.
Okay.
We marking out the main level. So zoom out. Yeah, just go zoom out some. Okay. And
Is that this a good one or no?
nah, it's a bad one.
No, that's a bad one.
You would just mark out. Just take that box. You don't gotta delete it. Just take the box and put it to the left, all the way to the left, that high, to the left of us. Now adjust it to that high, to the high of that high. Boom, perfect. And now drag it down the bottom part, right there to get the full range. Yep, make that to 50% exactly. Now get a line real quick, and now go up. So it's gonna be kind of hard to tell you, but put your cursor back to where it was, over there in that corner at the bottom left. Okay, now stop right there. Now go to the right a little bit. Like right, wait. To the left. Too far. Put it on that low that's right next to you to the left. And it'll be that one. Yep, right there. Just put that there. It ain't the best, but that indicate that that's significant to it. So we know that we can buy anywhere in this region between the purple, the white, and the yellow line. The yellow line is about your last line of defense for price to be completely sold. If price needs to reject, it should reject now. So let's see.
Wait, can you stop for a second? What? Tell me one more time what this is. Like, why you see this?
That's the level that's responsible for all the rejections to the right. I just put a line on it instead of a box.
Okay.
See all the little taps on it on the yellow line.
Yeah.
Mm,
Okay, I see. All right, cool. Thank you.
hmm So it didn't really respect it at all, in my opinion.
Goodness gracious.
Yeah, that was the big fault we had.
So do you continue to
So actually, what I want you to do now is I'm gonna show you. So let price delete everything and go to current price. Yeah, and zoom out all the way.
you want current price as
Nah,
today? Like,
no. Where you at is
gotcha.
good. Yeah. And now, yeah, now unpause it, and I'm gonna tell you when to pause it again. So leave it just like that. It's cool.
All right.
Go to the daily. My fault. Go to the daily. Yeah, now, and I think that's the range where price started to push up. Okay, exactly. Now pause it, and now put your bar, put your playback bar right on the last candle before price started buying. Yep. And now zoom out. Go to your weekly. Now draw that fib, and now I want you to do your fibs.
Okay.
Wait, before you do that, actually, I'm actually in this stream, and then I'm gonna start
Mhm.
another one because I want this one to be recorded. This is gonna be part two. This is gonna be good.
Okay.
All right.
All right.